welcome back to my channel. My name is Charmaine and I am going to do a spring eyeshadow tutorial for you today. I am thinking yellow, so I'm going to use the Colourpop Honey palette. Alright, so I had some more videos I wanted to put out, but it has been rough because I have tried filming last week 3 times. None of those videos came out good, so I just scratched them and I'm going to do them all over again. One of the videos was a Ulta haul, which took an hour to record because there's a lot of items in that haul. I was going to split it into 2 videos, but it just didn't come out good, so I'm going to try it again. But this time you're not going to get to see me unboxing it because I've already unboxed everything. I'm just going to have to show you the products, do some swatches, and share with you what I bought for my birthday haul. But today's look, fingers crossed this goes well and that this is a better week, will just be a spring eyeshadow tutorial, and I wanted to do something yellow and simple. So we're going to go ahead and jump into this look. I'm going to start with this color. What color is this? Oh, Behave, and then put Sweet Spot on top, I think. So this is Oh Behave and then this is Sweet Spot. So normally I start by actually doing my crease, but I'm not doing that today. I'm gonna just start packing the color on my lid. And I need my mirror, so. Okay, so that was Oh Behave. Now we're gonna go ahead and put Sweet Spot right on top and see if that kind of brightens it up even more. And I am taking that out a little bit further here. Okay, and now I'm going to be taking a fluffy brush and I'm going to take Buzzkill, which is this brown here, and put that on the outer edge and bring it in, but not too far. And I'm not taking it far out, I'm just keeping it right here, right at the corner. Alright, and literally that is it. I put my lipstick on and be right back. Alright, I am back. I went ahead and did my lips. I'm just wearing the Glamlite Eggnog with some brown lip liner. I went ahead and put my inner corner highlight in using the same Honey palette. And I use this color Dandy for my inner corner. I already put Buzzkill on my lower lash line. And on my waterline, I use this Colourpop eyeliner in the color Punch. And I really liked my lashes today. So I didn't put any lashes on, but I use this e.l.f. Lash It Loud Volumizing Mascara, and I like the way it looks. So I'm happy with just what I have here. And then for my eyeliner, I use the Tarte eyeliner. So that is it. And then to complete my look, I just went ahead and put my jean jacket on because it is a little bit cold. If you remember this bag, I got this off of Amazon. So this was in my Amazon haul. Go back and check that out if you didn't see it. And then also for the shoes, I will be wearing my yellow shoes, also from the Amazon haul. And this is my first time wearing them, so making use of this and kind of making this a spring look. And let me know what you think of this look. Don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss any future videos, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.